78. Ancient Moon Legend. Selene. In ancient Greek moon legends, the moon was the daughter of the god Hyperion and the goddess Theia, and was called Selene. She was the granddaughter of Gaia, or Mother Earth, and Uranus, or Father Sky, being one of the immortal Titans. Selene and her brother Helios, god of the sun, were responsible for controlling the movements of the sun and moon across the sky. She was a divine maiden with a luminous face who rode through the sky every night in her lunar chariot drawn by bulls with strong horns. Tip 78. Exercise. Answer. Whose was Selene daughter? Selene was the daughter of the god Hyperion and the goddess Theia. Whose was Selene granddaughter? She was the granddaughter of Gaia and Uranus. Was Selene an immortal titan? Yes, Selene was an immortal titan who was responsible for controlling the sun's movement. Her brother Helios was responsible for controlling the sun's movement. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.